If you're looking for dog flea and tick collars, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Bayer Animal Health. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Bayer Animal Health. Number 3, by Lanalux. For more info about these dog flea and tick collars, just click this circle. Number 4, by Hartz. Number 5, by Bayer Animal Health. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.